Hi everyone. We're going to discuss a rotation of axis with a graph, and basically the ones we're going to do, we already came up with the rotation formulas. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and come up with the rotation formulas again, but if you have not watched those videos, you need to watch them first, because when I do the rotation videos on this, I'm already assuming that you already know. So basically I'm doing these rotation formulas twice. And we're just going to go through those quickly. So basically, we have cotan of 2 theta equals A minus C over B. Like I said, we already kind of discussed this before. So you're going to get 1 minus 1 over 4. There's your A, B, and C here. And you get 0 over 4. That means cotan of theta equals 0. That means theta equals pi over 2. And then when you use your rotation formulas, you get, actually, sorry. See, this happens when I go too fast. Cosine of 2 theta is pi over 2, because that's what we had here. So theta is pi over 4. So basically with the rotation formulas, like I said, you should kind of already know this. We get x prime times cosine of pi over 4 minus y prime sine of pi over 4. And then your y equals x prime sine of pi over 4 plus y prime cosine of pi over 4. Now, when you simplify this, and like I said, I'm going to go a little faster. I'm going to go ahead and just mark through here. These are all square root of 2's. So since we already went over this. So basically you have x equals square root of 2 over 2 x prime minus the square root of 2 over 2 y prime, and y equals same thing but with a plus. And then we're going to write this, simplify it, and pull it out. So this will be use your greatest common factor. All right, so like I said, we already did this on, I think it was actually called number 2 as well. Now we're going to actually eliminate. These are the equations that are going to help us eliminate the xy term. So we're going to substitute, we're going to substitute our x and y with this. So I'm going to write this equation down again on this side, and we get x squared plus 4xy plus y squared minus 3 equals 0. Keeping in mind my angle is 45 degrees, or pi over 4. Now, so I'm going to substitute in x was square root of 2 over 2 times x prime minus y prime, and this is squared, plus 4 times square root of 2 over 2 x prime minus y prime, and then times your y, which is square root of 2 over 2 x prime plus y prime. And then we have the square part plus square root of 2 over 2 x prime plus y prime squared, and minus 3. So that's all I did was substitute in my x and my y here. Let me put another, should be 2 parentheses here. Okay, now I'm going to clean this up and square everything out, and also, so I'm going to square this, which is going to be 1/2, and then expand. I'm expanding and simplifying at the same time. So I'm going to get 1/2 x prime squared minus 2 x prime y prime plus y prime squared. Okay? Plus, given this, you're going to have 2 times x prime squared minus y prime squared. Basically what I'm doing here, very quickly, is I'm using the a minus b times a plus b equals a squared minus b squared type formula. Alright, so this is what this is right here. And I did the same with this. So, and 1/2 of 4 would be 2. Okay. If you need to take a little longer on it, you can. Just pause it and think about it, okay? So now I have plus 1/2 x prime squared plus 2x prime y prime plus y prime squared. And then, what else do I have? Minus my 3 equals 0. Now, I'm going to multiply all this through and simplify. So when I get that, this is what I'm going to get. 1/2 x prime squared minus x prime y prime plus 1/2 y prime squared plus 2x prime squared plus 1/2 x prime squared. Looks like a 12. Let me diagonalize this a little. Prime squared plus x prime y prime plus 1/2 y prime squared equals 3. Now simplifying, I can cancel a lot of stuff. I can cancel this. What else can I cancel? These. Alright. And anything else? Basically what I'm going to get is 3x prime squared. Actually, I couldn't cancel these. There's 2 of them. 1/2 x prime squared and 1/2 x prime squared. So I have 2 and 2 1/2. It's going to be 3 of those. And then I have minus y prime squared. So these cancel. And then I have that equals 3. Alright. Now, when you simplify this, and I think what's bothering me right here is this, so I don't know why I canceled that. And I don't know why I canceled this one. Okay, so I was getting too eager. Okay, so basically that's where you get this. Now, when you simplify this, you're going to divide everything by 3, and you get x prime squared over 1 minus y prime squared over 3 equals 1. Okay? So basically it's a negative, so it's a hyperbola. Center is at the origin. The transverse axis, which is the major one where it opens up and down, is the x prime axis. And we have vertices at 1, 0 and negative 1, 0. So let's try to graph this. So basically my angle, this is your y and x, and we rotated the axis 45 degrees. So let me try to draw that. So we're rotating the axis here. That's your x prime. And this is your y prime. All right. There's your y prime. And then we have 1, 0 and negative 1, 0. It's also going to go through here and here, here and here. So basically something like this. And I'm assuming that you already know how to graph hyperbolas at this stage if you're doing rotation of axis. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.